That way. And I need you to go upstairs.
So this is the finishing step of the sanding. We managed to finish sanding it and back to its original state of how it was when the house was built. This job took longer than we actually anticipated. It took over 6 days of living in the dust. No, it wasn't 4, babe. It was 6. It took over 6 days for him to finish these 13 steps. But he done a great job getting it back to the original state. And look at it. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
We got all the paint that's been stuck on it for hundreds of years off. Yeah.
These houses ain't been up years.
Yeah.
These houses have only been up since the 19...
Oh, yeah, whatever. Yeah, so yeah. So we got this varnish paint to polish on it. So we're gonna leave it in its original state like this, and the varnish paint will make it look nice and shiny, and it will help it to look like our wood flooring. So yeah, so far so good. The hard work is out of the way. You just need to yeah. So we get back. So we just doing some filling. My partner is out there doing...
She don't know what to say because she don't really understand what the job is about and what it entails. There's a lot of hard work.
So we sand the stairs, and after finishing sanding, we got it back to the original state of how it was when the house was first built. And it's looking beautiful, like in its natural state. So all we've got to do is like use this varnish paint, which we got, to paint on it. And then yeah, and this dry quick, and it will help you to match the floor, this floor. So that's the idea. So it took a long time to finish this sanding though, and the mess that it will make in your house. Trust me, this was a bit of a project, more than we actually thought it's gonna be. So yeah, that's the sanding finished. So
Advice is to seal the door shut.
So we done first coat And as you can see, it's already looking really beautiful, and it's almost matching the wood floor here. What we're trying to go for is to make it match here. So yeah, it's already looking really beautiful. And so Chris is going over here with a darker polish to make it look match similar to the wood floor that we have. And that's what we're doing. So this is the finished result. Really, it turns out really nicely. It looks beautiful, and it matches our wood floor. So hope you like this. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.